Hey everyone, and welcome to another adventure. Today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of the concrete jungle itself, the iconic, unforgettable New York City. This city pulsates with energy, a vibrant tapestry woven from cultures, dreams, and a can-do spirit that's contagious. Whether you're a wide-eyed dreamer or a seasoned traveler, New York has something for everyone. So, pack your bags, charge your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable experience. The first stop is Manhattan, the beating heart of NYC. Feel the energy pulsating through Times Square, where the neon lights dazzle and Broadway shows come to life. Take a stroll through Central Park, an urban oasis where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city streets. From the serene beauty of the park to the towering heights of the Empire State Building, where you can take in panoramic views of the city that stretches as far as the eye can see. And let's not forget about the diverse culinary scene that New York City has to offer. From world-class restaurants to hole-in-the-wall eateries, there's something to tantalize every taste bud. But New York City isn't just about the landmarks and the food. It's about the people, the melting pot of cultures that come together to make this city truly unique. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods of Chinatown, Little Italy, and Harlem, each with its own distinct character and charm. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of these communities, and you'll discover a side of New York City that you never knew existed. And of course, no visit to New York City would be complete without experiencing the world-renowned museums and art galleries. From the iconic Metropolitan Museum of Art to the cutting-edge exhibits at the Museum of Modern Art, you'll find inspiration around every corner. So whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned New Yorker, there's always something new to discover in the city that never sleeps. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, let the spirit of New York City capture your heart and leave you longing for more. This is New York City, where dreams are made and memories are created. So what are you waiting for? Come and experience the magic for yourself. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite thing to do in New York City is. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel adventures.